In this video, I will show you how to set up a receipt printer in Square POS. First, log into your Square account. Once you're logged in, you will see your main dashboard. Now, go to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Settings. A new list will appear. Under Device Management, click on Printer Profiles. Here you can create a new printer profile. Start by entering a profile name. This helps you organize and identify your printer setup easily. Below that, you will find several customization options you can toggle on or off, depending on your preference. Make sure to turn on receipts and set it to manually so you have control over when receipts are printed. Once everything looks good and you've finished your customization, click on Save at the top right corner of your screen. And that's how to set up a receipt printer in Square POS.